Oh, assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm making a creative sandwich. So these are my kebabs. I just had to put them in the air fryer.
Careful.
We're putting the kebabs inside the air fryer so they break.
Yeah. 15 minutes. Yeah. Press it. Press the round button. The round one. No. Yes. Start.
Now some tomato. Oh, we didn't have any lettuce, so I'm using cabbage and a bun and the kebab just in there.
And what about you, Afi?
I'm making a cookie and ice cream sandwich.
It's gonna
Because
taste-
you know me, I love sweet stuff.
Now my kebabs are brown, nice and brown, so that means they're cooked. So let's take them out. Oh my gosh. We're using this so I don't bend my hands. I'm cutting the bun and I'm really scared if I do it wrong. Am I doing it right? I'm adding the kebab. Now some tomatoes. Baba, did you prepare your 10 reals? Okay, so I'm making this for my Baba, so I'm adding some chili garlic sauce and
Baba.
Right here, kebabuch. I also added some olives. Now let's go give it.
एक minute.
That's a giant sandwich.
Its name is
That's what we ordered, a
kebabuch.
big giant kebab witch.
Which?
Yes, kebabuch.
I got dessert.
Baba, 10 reals.
You can keep this. I'll give you 5.
Nuh-uh.
I don't want that.
Okay, discount 1% off.
No!
Wow! Is it free?
No. That was a dessert that is that was obviously you need to pay at least 10.
It's crunchy.
Okay, now can you put this bread
Now I'll
up?
Okay. And now I'll put
Now put again the cream here.
it again and then I'm gonna put this
Okay.
cream big slice.
Okay.